it says list the sides of triangle DEF in order from shortest to longest. So it shows the angle measures, and remember the side lengths correlate to those angle measures, so the smallest angle opposite that will be the shortest or smallest side. And then opposite this is your medium size angle, so this will be your medium length side, and then across from this will be your longest, largest, biggest side. So then ordering it from shortest to longest, we have side DE, then DF, then longest to be FE. Okay, the next one reviews what we did yesterday actually with the parallelograms. Remember, in a parallelogram, your opposite sides are equal, and then your opposite angles are equal as well. So this angle is equal to this one, and then this angle is equal to this one, and then the consecutive angles add to 180 degrees. So here it's asking for the length of YZ, which is the same as this side over here, so 11.5, 11.5. So 5. And then angle W, it shows that this one's 142, angle W is consecutive with that one, so these two are supplementary. Do 180 minus 142 to find that measure, and it comes out to 38 degrees. And then angle X, again, these are opposite each other, so angle X would be 142 degrees. Okay, for 51, find the value of X. If you remember that the angles of a quadrilateral add to 360, cool. But sometimes they give you a shape where you don't know the number or the sum of those interior angles. So if you need to figure it out, you can always use the equation n minus 2 times 180 to figure out what all the angles add up to. N is the number of sides, 4 sides minus 2 times 180. 2 times 180 is 360. So all these angles add up to 360. Then you can do 360 minus, and then you would plug this in the calculator, 360 minus 115, minus 95, minus 70, and whatever's left over will be your X, and it comes out to 80 degrees. That is also on Alex this week, a pretty easy one to do on Alex if you haven't done it yet. And then 52, the coordinates of a point in its image after reflection are shown. What is the line of reflection? The best way to do this, honestly, would be to sketch it out so you can see what's going on. So I'm just sketching out a coordinate plane. This coordinate plane, it doesn't have to be perfect, to be honest. The first point is at 7, negative 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, obviously those dashes aren't perfect and everything, but I'll be able to visualize what's actually happening. Then the second point is at negative 7, negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down 5. Cool. So here's our first point, here's our second point. What is happening there? It is reflecting over the y-axis. So what is the line of reflection? The y-axis. Or as an equation, it would be x equals 0. X equals 0. And last one, 53. Determine whether there's enough information to prove that L is parallel to M. So looking at this, L, you want to prove that L is parallel to M, state the theorem you can use. So you can use the angle relationships because like alternate exterior angles are equal, alternate interior angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal, and then consecutive interior angles are supplementary. If any of those happen, then you can prove that those lines are parallel. So in this case, our alternate interior angles are equal. So yes, L is parallel to M because if alternate interior angles are congruent, then lines are parallel. Done.